How to add your own songs in Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll try to find out how we can add our own songs in Instagram story. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is just head over to your Instagram. And if we just go ahead and start adding our story normally, like we always do, you can there see that we cannot add our own music. So you can see there are trending, there are original audios, there are saved audios, but not a place where we can add one ourselves. So in that case, what video editor or any other editor tool to add the music ourselves into the story. So for that, you can use your CapCut or any other thing. You can use whichever video or photo you want to edit. After you have just edited the video, added your song, you can then export it and then post it as a story with music itself.
What's the
And that's basically how you do it. That's how you add your own songs on Instagram story. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. And if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.